Gold prices were lower midweek. We saw gold move down to over $20, trading to as low as 2001. That's the lowest since mid December. Likewise, the range in the year for gold, 2001 up to 2079. Yeah, we did trade the year to date low today in this short lived 2024 so far. But again, it's been a trend that's been coming. We printed the highs in the first week of the year, and it's just been downhill ever since. The dollar's been stronger, treasury yields have been higher, and Fed rate cut expectations have been declining. Now, they haven't been declining all year, but over the last week or so, week and a half or so, we've seen a big shift. The first expected rate cut via the market pricing of Fed funds was a 100% chance that they would cut 25 basis points at March FOMC. Now those odds are down to about 60%. And earlier today, they were actually closer to 50-50. So as we see those rate cut odds decline, we are seeing gold prices follow. And again, printing the year-to-date low down near 2001, closing down over $20. Now let's take a look at positioning. What are speculators doing? Well, since the beginning of the year, including last week, they have been exiting their net long positions, going hand in hand with the price declines that we've seen. Gold prices saw a big move higher into year end, and since then it has been a reversal, and speculators have been exiting their net longs, mirroring the price of gold. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, which means we get our in-the-moment look at the job market via the claims number. We also get housing and Philly Fed. However, I want to point out that Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank President Bostic will be speaking tomorrow on the economy, something we've heard recently from several different presidents and governors, talking about the possibility that the market may be wrong in pricing in its rate cuts so quickly. They're not denying the fact that the market should be pricing in rate cuts, but they are saying that March may not be the right month to be starting. And we've seen that reflected in pricing over the last week or so. Again, we've seen rate cut odds move from 100% in March of a 25 basis point cut, now roughly 60% odds of a 25 basis point cut. It'll be interesting to see what Federal Reserve Bank President Bostic has to say about that. So midweek, gold continues lower, printing a new 2024 year-to-date low down near 2001 ahead of tomorrow's housing, Philly Fed, claims, and Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank President Bostic.